Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about tractors getting hot. So at this time of the year when the weather starts to warm up, we start to get a lot of calls each day about, hey, my tractor's starting to overheat or it's running close to the red. And of course the first question that the service department asks, did you clean the radiator out? And everyone has always blown everything out. But at some point you need to wash it out and you need to do a really good job of washing it out. So an easy visual test, you can see the tractor behind me, the things are all opened up there, but you can actually look through that, you know, whether you have a flashlight on the backside or it works best with the sunshine, that you can see through and you can usually see plugged areas. But not always does the air take everything out, and so you need to wash it out with a pressure washer, preferably that you don't use soap. The only time that you would use soap is if you had an issue with something leaking oil into, you know, onto that radiator, and then you get that slime on there and you got to get that off. And then if you're doing that, you either want to use like dry laundry detergent that doesn't leave a residue, so get some Tide, or some kind of dish soap that doesn't have any scent in it, so it doesn't leave a residue. And then you want to wash that really well. It should take you between 15 minutes and a half an hour to wash your rads out properly, and make sure that you get all the way around that radiator, down at the bottom, up at the top, along the sides. The middle usually stays the cleanest, but you do need, you know, on a 28 to 35 degree day, you do need all of that cleaning area in that radiator to keep that tractor cool. So just make sure that you do a really good job of that, and then even more important, if possible, let the unit dry out before you go back out to the field. So whether you run it in the yard for a while to heat it up and boil the moisture out of there, but if you go out to the field with moisture in there, it's going to attract dirt and then you're going to plug up faster. So hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.